Ready?
Ready.
Hi guys, good morning. This is Imadis Karting Bjorn once again. So we're about to enter the NLEX. We're northbound, and I'm using my car. This is BYD E-Max 7, and today I'm gonna show you that it's a sports car, okay? Because it has eco, normal, and of course the sports mode, okay? And with that, let me show you. It's on eco right now. Kita nyo kung paano bumulusok. Okay? And if you go normal, now it's on normal. Yan. Pag birit mo pa lang, talagang bumibirado talaga siya ng mabilis. Okay? So, that's in normal mode right now. So, on this traffic, you can't go sports mode. Okay? Kasi medyo malapit na. Konting apak lang. Hindi katulad ng mga muscle cars like your gas engine cars and diesel engine cars, no? Matagal. Even the gas engine cars. Okay. So, yeah. Little disclaimer, I'm not vlogging myself. I asked my sister to do it. It's very safe. Okay. So, that's all. Follow for more. This is Imadis Karting Bjorn. Dahil sa buhay, dapat madiskarte ka.